Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to add DS BIOS files to Delta Emulator. And this is a very simple procedure. It's very straightforward and very easy to do. It's not a crime, it's not illegal, and you are completely allowed to do it. You'll be enjoying amazing games if you follow this step. Or the Delta app from which you're going to play the game. And then what you're going to do is you're going to open the Delta app and then go to settings. Now I'm assuming here that you already have downloaded the DS BIOS files from another source, and now you just have to add them. So in this video, I'm going to show how you can add those BIOS files to Delta Emulator and play the game. So after downloading Delta app, and you have to go to the settings, and then you have to scroll to the bottom until you see a heading of core settings. And below that heading, you're going to see an option of Nintendo DS. So you're going to click on it. Then under the DS BIOS files, you're going to see bios7.bin. You have to tap on this and just locate the bios7.bin file from your Nintendo DS. Now it has been added to your Delta app. I mean, it's simple as it is. There's no rocket science involved. It's very straightforward and pretty easy peasy to do so. So I hope you got the point that once when you click on Nintendo DS in the Delta app, you're going to see BIOS 7 file. You have to tap on it and it will be automatically, added to your Delta app, and then you can just play the game without any issues. So like I said, before this, you have to download the DS files. You have to put it in a location, and then through Delta app, you're going to locate it, and then you're going to add it to your Delta app, then you're good to go. So this was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.